Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on closing apps on iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Closing apps on the iPad is very easy to do once you know how to do it. Follow the steps to learn how to close apps on your iPad. Place your finger at the bottom of your iPad screen, then drag your finger up towards the top of the iPad screen. Take your finger off the screen around a third of the way up. The open apps will show here. To close an app, hold down on it with your finger, then swipe it up and let go. You can close multiple apps at once by placing multiple fingers on different apps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.